A pre-chorus, if you hadn't guessed already, takes place before the chorus. But a song doesn't have to have a pre-chorus. It's an optional section that bridges the gap, usually from the verse into the chorus. But what is the purpose of a pre-chorus? It's used to make the transition into the chorus more seamless. And it can also add anticipation, and it can build up to the chorus, making the chorus more impactful. Now, if you don't know if your song actually needs a pre-chorus or not, there's 3 questions that I would ask. Is your verse too short? Now, sometimes the verse doesn't need to be long. Your verse might say exactly what you want it to say, and it really doesn't need anything else. If the verse is too short, the change going into the chorus might feel very abrupt. So if it does, then it would be a really good idea to add a pre-chorus here. Does your verse and chorus sound very similar? Now, if the melodies in the verse and the chorus are very similar, it can feel like there isn't enough of a change between the verse going into the chorus. So adding a pre-chorus will separate the verse and the chorus and add some contrast between the 2 parts. Does your song need a change of energy before going into the chorus? Now, the chorus is often the most energetic section of a song. So if the verse is very low in energy, a pre-chorus may be used to help build or increase the energy gradually before transitioning into the chorus. If the energy of the verse is quite high and at a similar level as the chorus, then you may want to use a pre-chorus to lower the energy so that the chorus is more impactful. The pre-chorus is really useful for changing the energy and building up the excitement or the tension before the chorus comes in. So how do you write a pre-chorus? Well, as always, there are no rules in this world of songwriting that we live in, but there are a few things that I might suggest here that could help you to get started if you're new to writing songs. Keep the pre-chorus short. The pre-chorus is a transitional section between 2 primary sections of your song. It's there to bridge together 2 different parts. So you really don't want to take away from either of these sections. So a good starting point with this is to make the pre-chorus half the length of the verse. If you're using the pre-chorus to build energy, try quickening the pace by increasing the rhythm of the melodic phrases. So for example, use more 16th notes in your melody. If you're using the pre-chorus to drop the energy before the chorus, then do the opposite. Use more 8th notes and quarter notes in your melodic phrases. You can also build the pitch throughout the pre-chorus. So start with lower pitched melodies and then gradually get them to go higher throughout the pre-chorus. And this will help to lead into the chorus really nicely. The other thing is contrast. And because you're transitioning between 2 primary sections, it helps to add contrast to the pre-chorus to help to bridge together these 2 primary sections. So try changing the chords, try changing the amount of time you spend on each chord. Lyrically, this is the perfect place to explain the difference or the relationship between the verse and the chorus, again helping to bridge these sections together. Now I also want to add, your song might not always need a pre-chorus. Sometimes we just want to add sections to songs just for the sake of it and not really think about if they're making the song any better. Always keep in mind, what does your song need to help it to best say what you want the song to say. Now, because the pre-chorus connects 2 different sections of a song together, it's understandable why a pre-chorus can be confused for a bridge, but they are different. So check out this video about bridges. It has all the information you need about bridges, what they are, and how to get started writing them. So I'll see you over there. Take care, guys. See you later.